Okay friends, grab a pencil and some paper because today we're drawing a cute cartoon pony. As you begin, remember to draw lightly so it's easy to erase. And as always, we're starting with a few basic shapes. Begin drawing your adorable pony by drawing 2 circles on your paper. Notice that the circle on the left is slightly higher than the circle on the right, and it's just a tiny bit smaller. When making a correction, first draw the new line and then erase the lines you don't need anymore. That way, when you erase, you will remove no more than necessary. Now I'm going to connect the 2 circles of the body with curving lines. Notice that the body now kind of looks like a bean. Now I'm going to draw on the legs. Notice that the legs curve slightly and that they're a little wider at the bottom than they are at the top. This gives them a cute cartoonish look. Here I'm drawing a very light horizontal line. This just serves as a guide to make sure that I'm getting the legs the same length. Once you have the legs drawn the way you want, it's a good idea to stop and check proportions. While the circles are all very similar in size, there are slight differences. This is the largest, the smallest, and the medium size. Also, make sure that the pony is approximately 3 heads tall. Now I'm going to draw in some lines for the neck. Then I'll add a nice big tail. And here I'll lightly start sketching in the ears. Now I'll add the pony's snout, as well as some features of the face. Notice that the eye is very large. This is part of what makes the pony look cute and adorable. Now I'm going to draw the pony's mane. This is a great opportunity to exercise some creativity. See what kind of mane you can give your pony. As always, remember to draw lightly so you can make any changes that you need to. Now that everything's in place, begin erasing any lines you don't need anymore. As you're finishing up, be on the lookout for any final details you can add, like these lines here at the ears. I'm also going to add these lines on the hooves, and some lines in the tail. I'm also going to just darken some of my pencil lines throughout my drawing. Feel free to pause here if you need more time. You can also go back in the video if you need some more help with anything. And now it's time to add color. All done! What an adorable pony! Awesome job! Thanks for drawing a pony with me today. I hope you had fun. Comment below if there are other things you'd like to learn how to draw. Also, click subscribe if you want to see some more art videos, and we'll see you back here next time to have some more fun making art.